Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a Pikachu Godzilla. It's going to be kind of a blend of the two. More Pikachu, but a lot of Godzilla features. This is going to be easy and for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you will be able to draw this. It's going to be step by step and very clear. It's also going to be relatively short. I try to keep these all around the 10-minute, maybe 8-minute range, at the most like 11 minutes, but almost always they're like 9 minutes, okay? So in that range, so it's short, because we're all busy. And otherwise, I'm going to be using this computer paper and this Crayola brand marker. Simple supplies. You don't have to use that marker. You can use a pen, pencil, anything you like. And also, you don't even have to follow along. You can kind of watch it come to life. So, let us jump into Pikachu Godzilla. So right here, curve for the side of the face. Sorry, my chair's all squeaky. Also, now's a good time to subscribe and click that bell notification. If you like how to draw stuff and very easy, short drawing lessons, maybe to kind of, get you started on your day or something like that, hit the subscribe and make sure to click the bell notification. The bell notification gives you basically a little thumbnail on your feed, and it's going to be like, oh, cool, do you want to draw this today? Like on your feed, real tiny one. And you can choose. You can be like, oh, I would love to draw that today. Or, nah, I don't want to draw that today. It's not something I like. So, anyways, definitely click that bell notification. Curve over here, top of the head. Line out here for one of the ears. Line out here for the other ear. Really, that looks like kind of like a sharp hot dog or something like that. That's kind of what I think of it. Curve here for the back of the head. So far, it's really just kind of Pikachu features. Curve over here for the lower body. Curve down here for the front paw. Here for the other paw. Curve here. Curve here, right? These also kind of look like sausages in a way. At the end, though, I'm going to draw a little bit sharper of talons to give that Godzilla-y kind of flavor. You saw Godzilla versus King Kong. He's got these pretty sharp talons that he uses. Over here, bottom, and over here for kind of the bottom of that Pikachu body. He's kind of got like a bag-like body. Here's the difference, though. Bottom feet right here, he's got more like flat feet. That's more Godzilla. And these nails are very Godzilla. He has this kind of like, sometimes they're sharp nails, but sometimes they're like elephant style feet. And so that's kind of what the look I want. Let's go to the mouth over here. First thing I do is draw the eye. I want this eye, this anime eye, that hee eye. I love that eye so much. 2 nostrils. I know Pikachu usually has like 1 nostril. And this right here, mouth. It's like a W shape. To save him looking like a pig, I'm gonna draw some little bitty sharp teeth, which are basically just little triangles. Right there. I'm gonna draw Pikachu's tail. Zigzag here, another zigzag, and then a giant zigzag up there. Over here, it's going to go down, down, down. Okay. Line over here, line over here. I'm going to fill that in dark. That's also part of a Pikachu attribute. And let's do the biggest attribute of them all, the spikes. So, right here, top of the head. 1, and that's going to be small, big, small. This is going to round the corner there, but the spikes are getting a little bigger, and they're going to kind of run into that tail. It's not a big deal. Same thing over here. Kind of keeping track of, of that sort of thing. cheek. Cheek. That's a Pikachu attribute. And I'm gonna make sure to draw little scales. So little scales right here are like right here, underneath the mouth in general. A few more. This is called indication, where I'm putting these things, and I'm not gonna put them everywhere, but the viewer is gonna think the viewer fills it in with their imagination. If you do a few like this, it's basically gonna make it seem like these scaly features are gonna be all over. That's called indication. I might draw a line here for the top of the snout of Godzilla, of the Godzilla feature. Next thing I'm going to do to really make it clear, I'm going to draw a little more spikes there. And since you already have his tail over here, I mean, that's his tail, right? So let's draw some spikes, I'm sorry, some scales on that tail. And the last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw like a slightly thicker line around the border. If you like any of these mixtures, let me know. Click the bell notification if you like these combinations, because then I can keep doing them. It lets me know like what people are enjoying. If you like these bizarre combinations, maybe give me a few ideas for combining characters, merging them. That will really help. Just kind of thickening out, like again, the outer edge. Sorry, I got kind of wrapped up in that. I was like wrapped up in my thoughts. Line over here. And this stuff is mostly just fun. Call me by name, by the way. My name is Enrique. Say hi to me in the comment section. If you want to see like hour-long lessons I have an hour-long lesson on drawing a dragon. And that is over on Skillshare. Go check that out. But yeah, Skillshare is fun and exciting, and I love it. They're also very high quality stuff over there. They tend to delete any programs they don't like. So the quality is always very, very high at Skillshare, and that's kind of not the same thing on YouTube. YouTube, they kind of let anything go on. But, you know, I still love YouTube, of course, posting on here every day. Thank you so much. I will see you guys later. Talk to me soon. And say hi to me in the comments. I'm going to reply to every single comment, okay? See you later.